Hello everybody, today I will show you how to manually add workout or activity in Health app. Open Health app, scroll down to the bottom section and tap on Browse. Tap on Activity, scroll down and find the specific activity. Find, for example, workouts. After tapping, tap on App Data, tap on Activity Type and select particular activity type. There are multiple options available, such as for functional strength training, if you did a strength training or you go to the gym. Select functional strength training. If you missed a specific activity like badminton, you can add that as well. Enter the details for activity you want to add. After adding, from here, tap on calories. Add the calories burned during the activity. You can use Google to estimate the calories burned for a certain duration of exercise. It's, for example, 150. Adjust the start and end time. Adjust it. Once you are satisfied with the details, tap on Done. Tap on Add. In this way, you can manually add any workout or activity to Apple Fitness. Thanks for watching. Please like the video. See you next.